I don't know how safe this is, but it's what I needed to do.
That's a machine right there. Good God.
Whoa. I know how to sell more turbo kits. Is to sell more turbo kits.
Talk about shooting a flame.
What is up, Lambros? SteveCurrington.com. If you're new to the channel, I'm Lambros Steve, and I am in Bradenton / Sarasota / Tampa, Florida, in this little neck of the woods. Right now, Jacob is running in the giant 85-foot semi / trailer that is the Lamborghini green on its way here. I got here a little bit before him because I flew over him. I grabbed my Huracan. I'm gonna go catch up with him so I can get some rolling shots of that beautiful beast going down the highway. So. Okay, Lambros, we are on the side of the road because Jacob's coming from that direction. I don't know how safe this is, but it's what I needed to do.
All right, here it comes. Look at this beast. Dear God. Okay, back in the car, and now we're gonna go try to catch him. That's a machine right there. Good God.
That's a big truck, guys.
Like we're leading the Lamborghini trailer.
Whoa. It's nighttime. Nighttime is the right time. Today's kind of a big day because we just picked up the Heffner twin turbo 1500 horsepower Lamborghini Huracan. Oh God, it's amazing. Oh, I love it so much. I told Jason Heffner, I said, Jason, I know how to sell more turbo kits. Is to sell more turbo kits, because once you hear this thing and see it, it's like, look at it.
Talk about shooting a flame! Jesus Christ! Good God Almighty!
That thing's beautiful. Just keep Heffner in mind when you think about turbo kits that work. So you can just hear it. Just listen. You can't hear my car at all because of this car. Woo! Dang! watching. I'm Steve Currington, and people are always asking me, what do you do for a living? How do you pay for all these nice cars? Well, this is what I do. Cash. I give people access to money. I'm a lender. I do home loans. You want to buy a house? Call me. Go to stevecurrington.com, and I lend in all 50 states if you need access to some cash.